Is it time to buy or sell SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, May 4, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Boost your experience by joining our YouTube membership. Choose the supporter tier to show your appreciation with a loyalty badge, or the trader tier to request video analysis of the company of your choice. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 2, 2023, our system has ranked SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.17. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -1.81%. This translates to an average loss of -0.60% per day since it was listed as strong sell candidate. The ETF lies in the middle of a falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -6.36% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -8.90% and -2.14%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -0.128% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -5.06% and 12.99%. This translates to a price range of $66.29 to $78.89 after a year. Our latest daily update for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. as ETF downgraded to strong sell candidate. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. ETF price fell by -0.94% on the last day, Thursday, May 4, 2023, from $70.48 to $69.82. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.06% from a day low at $69.52 to a day high of $70.26. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -4.76% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $349.49 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $79.49, and the lowest price was $65.96. Currently, the price is 12.17%, or $9.67, below the 52-week high, and 15.34%, or $12.66, below the all-time high on January 5, 2022, when the price reached $82.48. The following signals have been identified for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $71.36 and $72.29. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 18, 2023, and so far it has fallen -5.57%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 44 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition, the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.740 between high and low, or 1.06%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.42%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is at $70.93. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We have a negative evaluation for this ETF and no stop loss has been set. Is SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF a good buy? SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, May 5th, we expect SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF to open up $0.0467 and start trading at $69.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.